Tesla is under fire. They're having a fraud investigation over self-driving claims. According to Reuters, U.S. prosecutors are investigating Tesla for possible securities or wire fraud, focusing on whether the company misled investors and customers about the capabilities of its self-driving technologies. According to Reuters, the SEC is also examining Tesla's promotional statements to investors about its driver assistance systems. This inquiry, which is in its early stages and may not lead to any charges, has been prolonged as prosecutors sift through extensive documents Tesla has provided. Additionally, there are concerns that Tesla might have engaged in wire fraud by overstating the autonomy of its systems to customers, despite their vehicles requiring driver oversight. This follows previous U.S. investigations into numerous accidents involving Tesla's Autopilot feature, leading to recalls. What do you think about these claims, and will Elon Musk and Tesla be able to drift away from this accusation without a scratch? Let us know your thoughts in the comment area. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.